Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to create a Shopify store in front of you. So I will walk you through all the steps which you need to follow, and everything is for free. So let me show you step by step that how you can create the beautiful Shopify store on Horizon theme. I will be uploading a lot of videos for different themes, but this is specific for Horizon theme. How we can do the customizations, how we can add features, how we can register on Shopify, and then how we can actually complete all the things which are super necessary for us. So here on the dashboard you can see that I have already created a Shopify account. So if you have not created the account, here in Google you should search Shopify. And in Shopify, once you are clicking on any of the link, here you will be getting an option of adding your email address, and then you can start for free. And you know what? This is 20 rupees per month subscription. That is almost free. So you can go ahead and start your account here, and then after you should go back to the dashboard. You can see that I have already registered my account, and then after you will be getting this kind of dashboard. I have installed Horizon theme, but on this theme I already created a store for reference point of view, but I will be showing you from very much zero. So you can see that this store I already created, but let's begin with the fresh theme. So here down below you will be getting all the options of free themes. If you will visit on theme stores, you will find out that we have multiple paid themes and free themes. You can see, if you can filter it out here, free, you will see all the free themes right here. And if you want to ignore the free theme, you wanted to search any specific theme, you can go ahead and search here. For example, Prestige. So Prestige theme will appear here. Same way, any other theme, for example, Dawn theme or Horizon theme. So once you are searching on it, you will see that we have this specific theme. And if you are clicking on it, and here you will be getting view demo and add new copy. If you are clicking on add new copy, you can actually install this theme into your Shopify store, or you can also directly install from here. So let me install from here for now. So I'm clicking on add. Here we go. Now you can see that the fresh theme has been installed just now. So let's publish this one, and then after we will do the customization onto this specific version. So first of all, what we are going to do here is we are going to click on edit code, edit theme. And here is the customization part where we will be fixing each single thing. So for example, this is the announcement bar on the top. You can see that we have the settings on the right side. So you can put background color if you want to, for example, like this. And down below we have the header section. So inside the announcement bar you can add multiple messages. Right now I have added welcome to our store. For example, I am adding one more. So you can see that you can put it shop our latest arrivals, or maybe you can put any other message. And then after we have option of adding the links. You can put the links so that if any customer is clicking on this text, he will be redirected to somewhere on collection or on product or any other page which you want to. Then the second part is header. So the header section, here we have to first of all fix this logo. So how we can fix the logo? You can click on settings. Here we have logo and favicon. You should click on default logo, and I have already installed a Horizon theme logo. So let me put it here, and you can see that logo will appear right here. So you can adjust the height of this logo to 24 pixel, for example, and then after you can go ahead and see the customization part. So here in the logo you can see we have top and bottom padding. You can also hide the logo on home page, and here we have the menus. You can choose the menu from the right hand side. Here we have main menu selected. If you want to replace it with something else, you can select the menu from here. Also you can add the background color from here. So here we have multiple settings on the right hand side. You can change the font size, you can change the font family, and there are multiple stuff going on the right hand side. Then after we have to see this banner. you can see that we have this banner image which we can choose from here. So right now I have uploaded the original banner of this Dawn theme. So let's put it here. So you can see that this banner is looking little bit dark. So how we can overcome this? You can remove media overlay from the right hand side. So now you can see that this is looking more bright. Then after we have to add the heading. Here we have the heading. So for example, I can say new arrivals, and then we have the button in the below of it. So you can update to shop now, and you can select a specific link where you want it to redirect to for example product, collection, or anywhere else. Then after we have the styles, open link, these are the styles like primary button. So let's put the primary one. So here you can see that we have the background color, and that's it. Then after we have another thing, if you are clicking on this hero section, you can see that we have, for example, position bottom. If we are putting top, so that means this new arrivals will come to the top. We can put it in the center, we can put it in the bottom, and here we have the height. So this height is for the banner. You can put it large height or maybe full screen. So if you have a bigger image, you can put it full screen, but for now I am putting it large. Then after you can see that we have padding top, padding bottom, so you can adjust according to your requirements. Then after we have another section below, which is this collection. So let's see what happens. So this is the default section already added here. So let's see how we can deal with this one. So on the right hand side, you can see that we have collections names. So you can replace it with some collection name, for example, new arrivals. If I'm selecting that, I don't have any anything in that one. So in bestseller, I have already. So right now on this collection of bestseller, I don't have any product here. So let's save it as it is, and then after we will be this is almost the home page. So let's go back to the dashboard, and here you can see that we have the proper dashboard here. So let's click on products, and let me create a new product, and then after we will be creating the collection, and that collection we will be putting on the home page. So how we can create the product? You should click on add product. So here you can put a title. For example, I am interested to create a product and that is related to winter cloth. Okay, and then you can put a description. So you can use AI or something. For example, I am putting here, for example, winter cloth, and I am putting in AI. So I will write here, give me description for winter cloth like sweater. So once you are pressing enter key, so it will generate automatically the description for you. Okay, then after we have the media option where you can upload the images. So I already have some images, so let me upload all of them. So for example, I have all these images related to the sweater. So let me put it here, and let me put a random price, for example 79. So let me put a price $79. All right, so here you can see that this is the main image. You can actually move all these images anywhere, so according to your requirements. Scroll it down, and you can put also a compare at price. Compare at price means that discount, the price where you are actually adding the discount. So for example, it was for $85 and we are selling it $79. Then after you can scroll down, and here you can add the quantity. For example, I am adding this much quantity, for example 100, and then scroll it down, physical product, so keep it enabled. And then we have the variant option. So let me save the changes, and then let me show you how it looks right now. So if you will preview this product which we have just now created, so let me see, is the preview. So you can see that we have simple product page where we have the title, we have the price, and you can see the discounted price. And then after we have quantity and add to cart, buy now button. And also we have a little description right here, but we are interested to put variants also. Variants means, for example, color. So let's put a color. So let me yeah, here we have the option. So right here you can put, for example, black, and other color name is red. Actually minimum you should have a single value added here inside of color variant. That's why the stripped was earlier. So once you are adding other colors, then you can remove that. All right, then you can click on done, and here we have the available, for example 100 pieces we have, and 100 pieces for red. And then you can actually update the color also. So for black I am going to put it this one, maybe this one, and for red I am going to put this one, and then save the changes. And let's see the preview now, that how it looks. Here we go. Now you can see that we have the black and we have the red one. So in case you want to put the red one first, so what you will do here is you should go back here, click on this, and you can actually move this part here, and then save the changes. And that's how you can actually modify the position. So here we go, you can see. So here we go. Now you can see that red one is first one, and then we have the black one. For example, in red one, instead of this image you want to put this one. So how we can do that? Go back here. Here we have this sweater, so you should put it like this. So if you will preview now, so you will see that here we have, here we go. Now you can see that the second image is this one. Let's go ahead and create some collections. So that's it for the product. There are multiple other options also. For example, you have the variant name. There are multiple other options, like you can put size, fabric, age group, and there are multiple others. But for now we are interested to put only the colors, so that we could better understand. In the later advanced videos I will show you. So here we have the collections also. You can select it, you can put the type of the product, you can also put the vendor name, and make sure that you have selected all these channels, because here once you are selecting, then it will be visible to the customers. Then after we are going back to collections, here we have to put the collection name. So collection means group of products. So what we can do here is we can add products. So for example, we have just now created some products, and other products I am also interested to put, which are active one. So let's put all those active products right here. Yeah, I have selected all, then click on add. Once you added, you can also put a small image here also if you want to. So for example, I am putting the image like this, and you can put a title. So title is, for example, winter collection, and then click on save. You can see that all the products are listed right here. So let's see on the home page what we can do. So here is the home page. You should scroll, click on this featured collection, and then after you can actually go on the right hand side, we have the settings, collections, click on replace, and click on summer collection. So sorry, winter collection. So you should search here winter collection, but this was not the winter collection. Actually winter collection was this one, winter collection, and then save the changes. Now you can see that all the winter collection products are displayed right here. But one thing you will notice here is that on each product there is different sizes. So how we can adjust it, because here you can see that the height is much bigger than this one. So here we have an option of media. So you should click on media. Here we have aspect ratio, click on auto, click on portrait. So if you will put it portrait, so automatically all the sizes will remain same. And we have also the option of square, but it cuts down all the images. So that's why I am putting it portrait, so that it could automatically adjust the sizes which are good for it. One more additional thing here is we can click on add block, and here we have swatches also. So you should search swatches, click on it, and here we go. Now you can see that we have swatches, but keep it under the prices. So now you can see that on each product we have color swatches under the prices. That's it. So this one, yeah. So we have finally created the home page. Now let's move ahead with the product page. So how we can see that how it looks. So go back to this drop down, and here you can see that we have products, and then you can select default product, and automatically you will be getting one of the products. So in this product page we have here the title. You can click on it, you can put the sizes. For example, this one is smaller, this H1 is actually the bigger heading, so keep it like H1. So you can also update all these sizes right here. For example, I am putting H1, but H3 is the default one, so keep it like it is. Okay, then after we have these color swatches. So let me show you. We have variant picker, click on it, and then we have swatches. Click on this toggle button, and automatically that color swatch will appear right here. Then save the changes. And then after, you can see that we have on the left hand side we have multiple images right here. So if we are interested to put something a little bit different, so you can click on product information. Here is the product information, and then under it we have product media. So all the settings related to this are displayed here. If I am clicking on carousel, so you will see that this will look like this. So this is a carousel actually. And if I am not interested to put any arrows, so you can add something else. For example, this one, you can see that these arrows are changing. So let me put this one, and then after we have the counter right now. You can see we have 17. Instead of this, we can put dots, or we can put you can see here we have the dots, or we can put thumbnails. Thumbnails means smaller images on the left, right, or bottom. So right now these are displaying on the right hand side. We can also put it on the bottom here, you can see, or maybe we can put it in the left side. And then we have the aspect ratio. You can put it portrait, or you can put it square. So whatever you like, you can actually add it accordingly. So yeah, so for now we are interested to put this grid, because it looks more beautiful. So that's why I am putting it like this. Then after, we have to save these changes, and on the right hand side we have this description box. So this is already added right here. So we can add multiple other things, like for example buy button. So inside of buy button we have quantity, we have add to cart, we have accelerated checkout. So you can do all these settings on the right hand side. So this is really easy. Down below you can see that we have you may also like section. So click on it, and you can also see that alignment is not good. So what we will do here is, we will see on the right hand side, and let's see, yeah, here we have the media. Click on it, then we have auto, we can select portrait and save the changes. So that's it. Here we are finished. Now let's move ahead with the collection page. So here we have the collections. So this was the bestseller collection. For example, we are interested to click on shop, where we have all the products displayed. This is shop all page. So you should click on it, and on the right hand side you can see we have multiple options. So let's see, we are clicking on product image, because first of all we need to adjust the alignment of it. So click on portrait instead of auto. You can see that now alignment is looking good. You can put also the swatches right here if you want to. Click on swatches, search it, and then after, swatches are appearing right here. You can see all the swatches are displayed, and yeah, here we go. So this was the default settings. Here we have the filter and sorting. So you can see that on the left hand side we have filters, and on the right hand side we have also the filters. If you are clicking on this option, you will see the different view of this. And please, if you want, you can enable it from the right hand side. For example, I have sorting and grid layout controls, so I disabled it, and you can see that removes automatically from the top. So let's put it like it was before, and that's it. Now we have some other pages. For example, let's go ahead with content. Click on content, and here we have menus. So to create the menus, what you should do is you should click on create menu after going to the menu, and here you can see, for example, I am adding test menu because I already created 2 menus. So let's see this test menu, how it looks. So first of all, we will write here home, and inside of home you can put it home page. Then we have to add another menu, like for example shop. So we can see here we have the pages. So you can select any of these pages, or you can actually click on collections, all collection, or maybe we can put it products and select all products. So that means shop. Then we have the contact us page. So you can click on contact, and then we have to search here contact. If that page exists, so it will appear like this. So click on contact, and automatically that menu will be created. All right, so how we can use this menu? You can see that on the top we have the header, so we have the menu. So if you are interested to replace this main menu with the menu which we have just now created, so you can see that test menu appears here, but right now I am not interested to put it right here. So let's go to the bottom, and let's fix the footer first. So you can see that we have powered by Shopify. So how we can remove this? You can see on the left hand side we have the copyright. So here we have powered by Shopify on the right hand side. So disable this toggle button and then save the changes. So automatically that powered by Shopify will be removed. And then we have the terms and policies, and we have the social media icons. So if after clicking on social media icons, you can update all your social media accounts right here. So let me see, for example, I have my own social media accounts like this one, shop website codes. So make sure follow this account where I am uploading a lot of good content. So let me copy, and then for example I am putting here my Instagram, and for the Facebook also I have also my own Facebook account, which is this one, MR Digital's web. So just copy and then go back here and click on this one and paste it right here. And then I have already the YouTube channel, so you can search it, and Amazing Learning is the name. And then we have this YouTube option here. So for example, I don't have the TikTok, so you should, I have the TikTok, but I am not using it because it is not available here. So let's remove it. And then we also not have this TikTok, Twitter. So whichever you don't have, you can actually remove and then save the changes. So let's go back to online store. Here you can click on preview, and then after you will see the exact look of the footer now. So here you can see that this is the home page. We have the banner, we have the collection, we have swatches, we have the footer. So let me hide this bar, and in the bottom you can see that we have this one. Now we have one last thing, which is policy pages. So how you can create those pages? You should go back here, click on settings, and in the bottom you can see that we have here policies. Click on it, and we have all these policies here. Privacy policy. So I already you will have a default policy written here, but you can update it according to your requirement. Then after we have the privacy policy, we have the terms and conditions, and we have also the shipping policy, contact information, and legal information. Whatever you have, you can actually select it from here. So let's improve the footer a little bit. So here you can see that join or email list, and we have multiple other options right here. So let's see, we are going to add something more. So click on add block, and you will see here we have menu option. For example, menu, click, and it will be generated right here. You can see main menu, and if you want one more, you can also add it, or you can add the logo here. So you can click on logo and add the logo in the left. You can see it will look like this. And you can remove this email subscription option from here, and then it adjusts automatically right here. You can update the footer background from here. For example, I am adding it the black. So here we go. This one also black, like this, and save the changes. Right now I don't have any transparent background logo, but if you will have, you can actually update it right here. So it will automatically update it right here. One more thing is that for example, I have this store, and you can see on the top we don't have any favicon icon. So how we can update it? Favicon icon means this small icon. So on the left hand side you can see settings, we have the logo and favicons. So here we have default logo, we have the inverse logo. Inverse logo means with transparent background or any other background. Okay, then after we have the favicon icon. So favicon, let me see if I have anyone. For example, this icon I'm choosing right here. So let's see how it looks. So let me save the changes, and then after let me refresh this page. Here we go. Now you can see that this circle has been replaced by the favicon icon. All right. So let's see how our store looks right now. On the top header, this is looking little bit more height. So let me reduce the height. So click on header on the right hand side, scroll all the way down, and here you can see that we have height compact. So once you are clicking on compact, then automatically the height will be improved. Then let's see. Perfect. Now it looks more better. So let's see, this is the home page. This is the main banner. This is the collection, and these are all the products which we created. And this product I was creating earlier with you. So here you can see that we have the color, we have the black color, indigo color, and we have add to cart button. If we are clicking on add to cart, it automatically adds to the cart. And here is the cart drawer. You can remove and add to the cart drawer, and then after you can click on checkout. So once you are clicking on checkout, then you will be getting all these options. So you can actually do the checkout. In the later videos I will show you, explain you that how you can actually set up your payment gateway and stuff. So one more thing is that how you can remove this kind of stuff. Like for example, on the right hand side in the cart page, you can see taxes and shipping calculated at checkout. So how you can remove it? You should copy and you should go back in the dashboard. And this is the Horizon theme we are working on. Click on these three dots, click on edit default theme content. And here you should search whatever you want to remove. So just remove it and put space inside of it, and then save the changes. So that way you will able to remove this specific taxes and shipping. So refresh it back, and here we go. Now you can see that we don't have anything related to shipping on the right hand side. So yeah, that's it. So in the next video, I will show you how you can do other things, more advanced things. And this video was related to creating a Shopify store simply, and how we can do minor modifications inside of it. So this is an amazing startup for you. So if you don't know how to create a store, you can start from here, and then later on you can actually understand how we can integrate the payment gateway, how we can increase the sales, how we can modify the things. So everything is super easy. Just you need to explore the settings inside of Shopify customization. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. If you are new on this channel, then make sure that you have to click on subscribe button, because in the later videos I will be exploring a lot about Shopify themes. So in the next video I will explain you with different themes, with different products, with different designs. So for now, that's it. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.